speed. Even for NESS also, the speed is the best institute regarding all the platforms. I used to see multiple classes from the speed, and also I used to see quick revision programs. Those shaped my preparations, sir, very well. To speed team, sir, both for both NEETs and NESS also, sir. I'm very thankful to the Speed Institute, sir.
Okay, I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members and team of Speed to Dr. Venkata Rama Krishna Reddy for scoring a topmost rank of rank number 19 in All India in MCA Surgical Group in NEET session 2025.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Great. Now, and I thank you for sparing your time, taking your time out in your busy schedule to share your valuable experiences with us and also to the students watching this.
Yes.
So, can we know your brief history from where you started till date? What all you have done?
I am Dr. Rama Krishna Reddy, sir. I've done my MBBS from Rangarai Medical College, Kakinada. Post graduation in MS General Surgery from Andhra Medical College, Visakhapatnam, sir. Now I'm able to join in the MCH Surgical Gastro, sir. Able to join now.
Great, great. And I mean, you have phenomenal achievement and a track record in your medical career on top class. And now,
Yes.
why super specialty of surgical gastro?
Because most of our exposure in our surgical group is more of abdomen cases, and even our chief sir is our unit chief is also more interested in abdomen cases, sir. So that's where my interest towards surgical gastro has grew up. So even more advances in like robotics and laparoscopy, even that made a huge impact in my choosing surgical gastroenterology, sir. And even by going through even the classes through speed classes, and there also I gained more confidence in joining surgical gastro, sir.
Great. I'm very
Yes,
happy that you have chosen an amazing and a very good branch and that you liked as well. And
yes, sir.
so we want to know your preparation strategy. We once you decided to go for surgical gastro, you want to compete national level, you get to topmost college, and what you did and what your preparation strategy to achieve this.
Yes, sir. By last year, 2025 March, I completed my MS General Surgery, sir. So previous NEET tests, I got around 1220 ranks, sir.
How many?
1220, sir.
Oh, 1220 to 19.
Yes, sir.
Amazing.
So I was depressed for around 1 month. I have not had any complete preparation regarding NEET tests, sir. I just gave my university examination, and I just gone directly to NEET tests, sir. So from July onwards, I have given my complete core preparation for NEET tests 2025, sir. So Uh, my main aim is to get into surgical gastroenterology department, sir. So I started from July 2025, sir. Like I started first I started seeing videos, and I used to do regular MCQs and bid banks, sir. So I've gone skin to skin from Balian Love. I have read the most Balian Love, sir. Mainly I read from chapter one to ending, sir. And for the GIT, and I focus more on Sabiston, so GIT and hepatobiliary part. I focus more on a Sabiston part, sir. Rest of the things I focus more on Bailey and Law, sir, 28th edition. And I used to write around 12 to 15 GTs I have written, sir. I made every time I used to make a notes of those bits in separate books, sir, so that I used to revise them at least twice a week. And at last 1.5 day, I have revised only those bits, and have gone through only images, sir. That helped me a lot, sir, mainly.
Great. Amazing. Very good. Now,
Yes.
number of questions you answer this exam.
So I have answered around 147, sir.
Very good. Good, 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 good. Now, about the paper, what you can share about the paper?
Uh, I have written both the NEET 2024 and the NEET 2025, sir. This time the exam is somewhat a bit tough. What I thought is it's somewhat tougher than the previous one, sir. Actually, I was not confident after attempting this NEET assessor, sir. Like I was not that much confident. So initially I was confused that whether I will get a surgical gastro or not, sir. But I'm going after going to recall, so that I got some relief, sir, for that. But didn't expect that I will get around 19 ranks, sir. I thought I will be getting around 100 or 200, sir.
Great. Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Now, who introduced speed to you? And what was your experience with speed for this preparation for this exam?
Yes, sir. My senior has is Dr. Akhil sir. He secured INES second rank ranking, sir. Into his, he told me regarding speed, sir, to take speed. Even for INES also, the speed is the best institute regarding all the platforms, sir. So I used to see multiple classes from the speed, and also I used to see quick revision programs. Those shaped my preparations, sir, very well. Even for the INSS also, I have given attempt for surgical gastroenterology November 2025, sir. I have listened to all the Basansar classes. I just only short term preparation for INSS. I have seen all through Basansar classes, and that helped me a lot, sir. Also,
Great. So you are still going to give April Inesis also?
no, sir. I was satisfied with this rank, and I was satisfied for which college I'm going to get. So that's it.
So what will be your advice for the future aspirants of MCA surgical group?
That's it. The main thing is at least we have to give a dedicated time around 5 to 6 months for NEET SS, sir, in order to get a good rank, like nearly less than 100 to 200 ranks, sir. And we have to do multiple revisions, and also we have to make a notes of every GT, sir. Is the main thing which helped me. So I want to share here, sir. I made a notes for around, I think it came around 2 books, sir. I want to make to tell all the upcoming NEET aspirants that to make a notes all the GTs you have written and all the important topics and all the QBank questions, sir. So that repeating, revising them around at least once a week or twice a week, and mainly sticking to those needs helping me a lot, sir. And going through multiple images from all the Savage Billion swords, sir.
Very good. Very nice. Doctor, time to thank and whom all you want to thank. You feel that they have stood by you, helped by you from day one till date. You can use this card.
I want to thank my family members, sir, first of all. And second, my unit professor, Dr. J. Kishore, sir, and my assistant professors and associate professors, sir, and my colleagues. And I had my combined preparation, the group preparation with my colleagues, Dr. Vinay, Dr. Vishnu Saram, and Dr. Madhuri, sir. So mainly we used to revise the topics while we are sleeping and while we are eating. Also, we used to revise multiple topics while we are and we having leisure time, sir. That helped me a lot, sir. But that helped to retain our topics more, sir. That also given more confidence in our preparation parts, sir. So I think group preparation I had made is somewhat like it given extra 5 to 10 bits, sir, than normal preparation, sir. Even they also secured a good ranks in this, sir. One person got a 99, another got a 150th rank, sir. We group got we all achieved our.
As a group, you achieved. I think we should have had a group interview only. We can plan a group interview when I'll ask Shiva to coordinate with you and
Okay, sir.
other two people also to interview. Okay? So we can all share our experiences. Great,
Yes, sir.
doctor. Once again, we wish you all the very best and all the success for a great, wonderful, and amazing
Yes,
and astonishing career in surgical gastroenterology as a super specialty. Wish you all the best and all the success.
yes, sir. Finally, I want to thankful to SPE team, sir, both for both NEET and NESS also, sir. I'm very thankful to the Speed Institute, sir.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you for
Yes,
acknowledging. The entire team will be happy listening to these words because they're
yes,
working
sir.
in the back end, and your words makes a lot of difference to them.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you.